Epic Games have just announced that most Fortnite creative XP glitches in Chapter 3 have been patched. That's why today I'm going to be showing you guys an unlimited XP glitch in Fortnite Chapter 3 that is basically unpatchable by Epic Games and will reward you with millions of XP every hour. This unlimited XP glitch in Fortnite is literally so insane and surprisingly works flawlessly without the risk of getting banned, since all this will be done in a private match, shielded from any spectators. Also, I'm doing this on an account without the Battle Pass unlocked, since that way it's impossible for me to buy tiers and lie to you guys. If you still need a Fortnite Chapter 3 Battle Pass or anything from the Fortnite item shop, I'm gifting 5 subscribers every single day that subscribe with all notifications enabled. Leave a like on this video and comment down below their Fortnite username. I will literally be inviting subscribers and gifting them all throughout Chapter 3, so you should definitely at least give it a try. Yo, what's up?
Hello.
Is there anything you want like from the item shop?
Oh yeah, this is TikTok emote Wake Up.
The wake up emote?
Yes.
Alright, I got you, dude.
Oh my god, thank you so much.
Hey, let's go. You subscribed?
Yes, I am.
So it's basically the safest XP glitch, because I know there's a bunch of XP glitches that just randomly stop and then you just stop gaining XP and you still leave it on for hours and you just basically waste time. Alright, so the first step in order to go ahead and do this XP glitch is actually the simplest step. Just go ahead and load into creative. Now don't go ahead and load into any game mode in specific. You actually have to go ahead and load into creative, guys. So don't go ahead and type in like a code in the code thing. Just actually have to just load it into the regular creative game mode. Do not load into any creative game. Creative, now we should be in the hub. Obviously the hub always looks different for everyone, depends on what time you actually do this XP glitch. Now I don't expect Epic Games to patch this XP glitch in Fortnite because it's just a super insane glitch, and I'm 100% positive that this won't be patched anytime soon. Anyways guys, once you are in the hub, basically the creative hub, which currently is a Christmas themed hub, obviously we are getting closer and closer to Christmas, so this should probably be the Christmas themed hub for you too. And basically what you want to go and do is go to your island. So as you guys can see, this is basically a golden rift. Now I currently have my PvP map put in because I recently worked on a PvP map with all the like new guns without like building and stuff. It's pretty fun. So as you guys can see, all these rifts have like images and stuff, and if they are blue or something, do not go into them. You actually have to go into one of your rifts. Now I would advise you guys do a new island, like create a new island for this glitch specifically. So I'm gonna create a new island. I'm gonna use a grid island, and then I'm gonna go ahead and click confirm, and then I'm just gonna name it XP glitch. So later on, when I don't remember doing this XP glitch, I just know that it's an XP glitch island. Now guys, don't worry, you don't have to name this XP glitch. You can literally name it whatever you want, guys. But just in order so I remember, guys, I'm gonna name this XP glitch so I can remember later. Alright, as you guys can see, now the XP glitch island has loaded up, so I'm gonna be going into the XP glitch island, guys. Let me go ahead and put in the island settings. Let me go ahead and put this to daytime so you guys can see better, because I don't want the video to be bad quality. As you guys can see, now it's daytime, the sun is up there, and it's pretty much lightning. Alright guys, and basically what you want to go ahead and do in order to go ahead and start off this XP glitch is go ahead and build the exact same thing as I just built, a 4x4 platform. It can be 2x2, but I would advise you guys just do a 4x4. As you guys can see, now this is a 4x4 platform, basically 4x4. So as you guys can see, 4 in this direction, and is that 5? Dude, I'm stupid. Alright, as you guys can see, now we have a 4x4 basically wood construction. You can literally build this out of any material, or literally like you can even use like floors from any like galleries, I don't know. Just you have to have a 4x4 floor above the actual initial ground, which is the grid island ground. Now guys, what you want to go ahead and build on this 4x4 thing is you want to go ahead and open your inventory, go into devices, and then here you want to go ahead and click on the player spawn pad. And here you want to go ahead and click on the player spawn pad, so get yourself a bunch of player spawn pads. I don't actually know if they're infinite or not. And just go ahead and place a player spawn pad basically in the middle of each of these. Oh, that was not in the middle. Oh my god, I'm having kind of a problem with dimensions right now, because since there's no shadow, I can't really tell where exactly it is. Make sure it's like above the thing, so like that. I think that should be fine. It should just be one player spawn pad above every single one of those floor pieces. So as you guys can see, there's one player spawn pad above all of the floor pieces right now, as you guys can see. Obviously 4x4 is 16, so as you guys can see, now we have 16 player spawn pads on here, guys, and this will actually make the glitch work, guys. Now I know it's quite a weird step, but just make sure that each of these spawn pads is actually above the grid basically. So if, for example, if you had this, oh my god, I'm flying so fast. For example, if you had like this player spawn pad and it would be like a bit like this, it would not work, guys. So you actually have to make sure it's above the grid that you just placed down. So, you know, it's gonna make sure you place one above every grid. And once you've done that, once it's about perfect, guys, you actually want to go and open your inventory once more. Then go ahead and actually get a team inventory settings. Go ahead and place it down about, like, it doesn't really matter where you place it down. Just make sure you place it down on this island somewhere. I would advise you guys just place it down next to this thing. So go ahead and open the team thing. And then once you have this basically open, you want to go ahead and go to the second option. And then on team, you want to go ahead and set it to any team. I'm going to do it for team 1 because it's going to be the simplest one. Just click on team 1. As you guys can see now, you should see a 1 on this thing basically. Now you want to go ahead and click on switch team, or basically team select. Click on team 1 and click apply, and we are already team 1. So I would just advise you guys put this to 1 so you don't have to change your team. But make sure you double check before you actually go ahead and do this at what team you are on. Anyways, once you've done all of these settings, you want to make sure that your island is saved. So just make sure you go ahead and click on, so in order to make sure that your island is saved, click actually on start game, because that will auto save the island if you click on start game. And then once the game has started, you want to go ahead and leave again. So as you guys can see, the game started now. Now we can go ahead and leave creative. No, not actually leave creative. Just click on end game before that, because I think when you click on end game, the island actually auto saves, and then click on return to island, and after that we can go back to hub and then back to the lobby, and then we only have 1 step remaining to go ahead and do this XP glitch in Fortnite chapter 3. Alright, let's go ahead and go back to hub, and then we can go ahead and leave the match entirely. As you guys can see, nice. Okay, leave creative. Alright, as you guys can see, we are now back in the Fortnite chapter 3 lobby, guys, and now let's go ahead and do the last ever step in order to complete this Fortnite chapter 3 XP glitch, guys. Go ahead and go over to discover basically, and then you want to go over to the last step, which is island code. Go ahead and type in this code right here, which is 783239645638, guys. Basically, it's a pretty simple code. Just make sure you copy it, like pause the video if you couldn't read the code. As you guys can see, the map is called Truck Pursuit Winter Update, guys. Pretty sick. Anyways, guys, we are not here to play this actual mini game. We are actually we're actually here to actually go into this XP glitch inside of this map. Now, a lot of people have commented on my last glitch, which was a bit similar, obviously with a different map and different steps, guys. But the thing is, if you have this on public game, you will actually matchmake with other people, guys. So make sure you go ahead and set this to private game, guys. Super important, guys, because you don't want to be like, if you're with other people in the match, then you will not be able to successfully do the XP glitch in Fortnite. So make sure you go ahead and set this to private game, so you are in a private game, obviously. Alright, I'm currently loading in, as you guys can see, waiting for server, joining server, and now we are currently loading inside of the mini game, where we only have to do 1 more step for this XP glitch, which is honestly one of the best XP glitches I've ever seen in Fortnite. Alright, and basically once the game is actually started in the map that you just loaded in, guys, what you want to go ahead and do is actually die as many times until you get into the special round, which is called a cage round. So as you guys can see, I'm currently just driving into the water in order to respawn. Basically, like, lose on purpose in order to get the cage round, which is actually necessary for the glitch. As you guys can see, the next round is starting in 6 seconds, and this could the cage round just happens randomly. It could happen on your first attempt. Or you need to like die 10 times in order to get the cage round. It's basically random. As you guys can see, we still haven't got a cage round. It will basically say cage round once you've actually unlocked it, which, you know, will take a bunch of attempts maybe. It could be, as I said, it could happen on your first attempt, but I've tried it now 2 times and it didn't work. Alright, and now, guys, we have actually unlocked the cage round. This took literally so long, guys, like, oh my god. I literally had to wait like 10 rounds in order to unlock the cage round. As you guys can see, we are now in a cage round, which means there's like gonna be these borders everywhere, guys. So basically, you want to follow this path, which is just right. So you want to go ahead and go right, and then you want to go ahead and go left. So right here, go left, and then go right again. And now you will actually have to jump over this ramp, guys. And make sure you do this in under 3 minutes, guys, because if you run out of time, the XP glitch will not work, guys. So, oh my god, I hope we make it. And we just made it, guys, which is amazing. And basically, you want to go ahead and go to this ramp right here, which is a smaller ramp. And once you are up here, guys, you want to make sure that you flip your cars sideways, basically. So, as you guys can see, you have to try and, like, go to the edge and flip your car sideways. Just make sure you don't mess this up, guys. If you mess this up, you have to wait for another cage round, which, as I just experienced, could take some time. And we've not messed this up, I think. Oh, as you guys can see, the XP glitch is now working, guys. Oh my god, how crazy is that, guys? We get so much XP, guys. This is literally insane. Oh my god, 6,000 already, and I haven't even done this for, like, 10 seconds, guys. So you literally get like 1,000 XP every second, which I told you guys at the beginning of the video is one of the most insane XP glitches. And now I know a lot of people would comment, why did you do all the unnecessary steps at the beginning, guys? And literally, that is not true. Those are not unnecessary steps, literally, because if you don't go ahead and place like down those 4x4 thing and then a bunch of player spawn pads, it's gonna literally get you banned, guys. So make sure you go ahead and do also the previous steps, guys. Obviously, I'm making these videos only to like let Epic Games know that there's glitches, guys. But like, I also care for your safety. I don't want Epic Games to like ban you guys temporarily or permanently, you guys, so that you guys don't get your Fortnite account banned. With that being said, though, thank you guys so much for watching.